Wow. Oh man, it's so small. This is awesome. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. We are continuing my little unboxing day series. So just unboxed the OnePlus 7T Pro, the next phone in the planned obsolescence series. So if you wanna watch that video, go ahead and click up here. And the phone is in pretty good shape. I'm really excited to use that. As for this video, we are unboxing the Osmo Pocket 3, a camera I have been very excited to try out. And I finally took the plunge and got one. Unfortunately, I bought it at a bad time because I literally bought it right as prices went up by a little over $100. So this thing now retails for $619, I believe. It used to be in the $5s. Boo me. If only I wanted it about a month ago, that would have been great. Without exaggeration, one of the most popular cameras in the whole world, especially when it comes to content creation. A lot of my favorite content creators have this in their arsenal, and now I am going to be testing it out, giving you my opinion on it, and hopefully I really love it. And I did get a few accessories along with this thing, just the bare minimum. So we've got some glass screen protectors for the little screen here. We've got the mini tripod, because I'm going to be using this to get a lot of different shots. It's gonna be my new stand-up camera. So kind of need a tripod in order to do that kind of work. And I needed a micro SD, so I went ahead and picked up one of those. Got a very good price on that for the $256. So we will go ahead and put these aside. I just want to show you what I picked up for it, but I'm not actually going to be unboxing these ones. All right, Osmo Pocket 3, here we go. We're gonna need an unboxing knife, of course. Where should I start? Let's start right here. There we go. Osmo Pocket 3. And at first I was kind of hesitant to pick this up, I'll be honest with you guys, because the Osmo Pocket 3 has been out for a bit over a year at this point, if I'm not mistaken. And you know, I was doing research on this thing. I was like, okay, am I gonna buy this and the Pocket 4 is immediately going to come out? I was like, I don't wanna have to, you know, immediately return this and get the latest camera. But from what everybody has said, there's no plans to release a Pocket 4 this year. So if you're looking on buying a Pocket 3, you should be good until at least 2026. Because DJI typically releases the Osmo Pockets every 2 years, or at least, you know, if they continue their trend, we'll see another one in 2026. All right. Ooh. Wow. Oh, it's so small. Man, that's cool. Okay, we're gonna set that right there. What else do we have in the box? We have a DJI sticker. That's a must. We've got some materials, some pamphlets, a little extended warranty thing, quick start guide. Very nice. I'm gonna set those aside. I'm assuming this is the little extender thing. Oh wow, emphasis on little. Man, that's small. We've got charging cable, a lanyard, and I believe that is it. Okay, very cool. I'm not gonna open these up, but just know they come with the Osmo Pocket 3. And as for this guy, I am curious what this looks like. And I did not get the battery pack handle thing. I might get that at some point. I want to really test this thing out from a perspective of having very minimal accessories, because if you wanted to go out and spend about $500 on accessories alone for the Pocket 3, you totally could, but I'm going to try not to do that, at least right away. So we've got our little handle. Sits right at the bottom of the Pocket 3. I'll demonstrate this in a minute. Got USB-C. You can charge it right there. There is the spot for the mini tripod. Awesome. And looks like this is just the release button. So what this does is it adds a little bit of height to the Pocket 3. So without further ado, we're gonna open this up and see for ourselves. I'm just so excited for this. You guys have no idea. All right. Ooh, Osmo Pocket 3, baby. Gorgeous. It's got a great feel to it. Feels like almost industrial. So this is the little carrying case slash protection cover that comes with it. It's great that DJI included this because I could totally see somebody like Apple charging extra money for this. Slide it out here. Very cool. Wow. Oh man, it's so small. This is awesome. And in the case, you'll notice there are a couple areas for lenses. So this is able to take magnetic custom lenses. So at some point I might play around with those. We will have to see how much I enjoy it out of the box first. Very hard material here. A little bit rubbery. That's good. So if it took a fall, it'd probably be fine. At least I hope so. All right, so setting that aside. And let's do some close-ups of the Osmo Pocket 3. So right now it's in its dormant state. The camera and the gimbal can't flop around or anything like that. That is where our micro SD goes. USB-C port for charging and also for this guy here. Little joystick. Let's see what this feels like. Very firm. Okay, so, wow, that's more firm than I thought it'd be. Recording button. We've got our screen here. And of course the highlighting feature with this is it flips. Oh, I just turned it on. Oops. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. All right, language, English. Okay, I see. I see I'm gonna have to set this up. So that's why this is an unboxing, because I don't know everything about this camera quite yet, so I am gonna have to read up on how to use it, but you can already see the gimbal doing work. It looks like it's looking right up at you guys. That's pretty funny. But yeah, as I'm rotating it, it's moving, it's balancing itself. That is so cool. I'm so excited for this. And, oh, that screen is so neat. So one of the cool things about this device is it can film horizontal or vertical video depending on how the screen is flipped. So for example, if I have it like this, it's going to film in landscape. Flip it like this and it's filming portrait video. Super cool. Oh, I just put it to sleep. Okay. Very, very cool. Very solidly built too. Very good materials. Pretty much what I've come to expect from DJI, honestly. I've got one of their mic minis, which I really, really love. I'm actually recording on it right now. And let's see. Ooh, that locks into place nice and firmly. Very nice. So not only does this give you something to grab onto when you're recording, but it also gives you a little bit extra height for the tripod. So let's go ahead and open this up here. And I really want to see what the full kit looks like put together. So I'm going to very gently set that on the table. And eventually I will put a screen protector on the screen there because I don't want to damage my new toy. All right, opening up. Oh, hello. Our mini tripod. Here we go. Nothing else in the box, just the tripod. Set that over there. Okay. Very cool. This feels very solidly built, which I would really hope because it's supporting a $600 camera. Here it is. So folded, it is very small. There is my hand for comparison. So easily fits in the palm of your hand. Very cool. And I imagine you just pull it apart. Awesome. So kind of like a butterfly style. And okay, so I was kind of hoping the hinges could lock into different positions. I don't know if it can support the weight of the camera like this. I'll have to test that out for you guys. But fully extended, it goes out like this. That doesn't add as much height as I was hoping. Hopefully it can go up like this. We'll have to see. But let's go ahead and fold that up, put the whole kit together, and it should be really easy. We just screw this into the bottom. Cool. All right, it's coming together now. Cool. All right, so we've got the Pocket 3, we've got the little extender, we've got the tripod. So this is a very versatile vlogging setup and just filming setup in general. This can do just about anything you want it to do. I'm hoping to get really good A-roll and B-roll with this thing. So let's go ahead and fan this out. Set it down like this. Cool. All right, so I know you guys can't see it from this angle, but just know it feels very solid. There's no wiggle or give in the tripod itself, which is great. So I'm gonna try to add a little bit of height here and see if it can support it. And I'm gonna hold on to this thing while I'm doing this, just in case. Okay, so I don't have it perfectly straight, but it looks like if you get it at the right angle, you can have it stand up on its own without the tripod being like completely flat to the sides. So I'll have to test that out. I'm not extremely confident with that, but you know, we'll see if that works out. And yeah, man, this is so cool. This looks like a little camera Batman would carry around or something. So dope. And yeah, I'm extremely excited to start filming with this guy. So I'm probably gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you wanna check out the unboxings of any of the other products that I got in hand today, whether it's the OnePlus 7T Pro or the J5 Create speakerphone dock Pro, those videos are linked down below, so feel free to give those a watch. But with that said, I'm Dan, I do tech every day. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe, I love you. Peace.